The Swedish government has proposed a significant step in defense cooperation with Peru, seeking parliamentary approval to authorize a direct intergovernmental deal for the sale of up to 12 JAS-39 Gripen E F multi-role fighter jets and accompanying air defense systems. This initiative forms part of Sweden's broader effort to enhance its defense industry's global reach, particularly across Latin America. The proposal comes in response to an official request from the Peruvian government, which favors state-to-state negotiations over commercial contracts for its upcoming fighter procurement program. Should the Swedish Riksdag greenlight the deal, Sweden would oversee both the acquisition and delivery of the aircraft and systems, with funding sourced entirely from the revenue generated by the sale. Peru's potential acquisition of the Gripen would mark the platform's third entry into the Latin American market, following its selection by Brazil and Colombia. The sale aligns with a strategic push by both Sweden and Saab AB to position the Gripen as a strong contender in Latin America's growing demand for modern fighter platforms. As part of the offer, Sweden is including air defense assets tailored to Peru's operational requirements, though the specific systems have not yet been revealed. Saab's approach to expanding in the region includes replicating its successful model in Brazil, where a local production facility was established in partnership with Embraer. A similar setup may be considered in Peru, enabling local industrial participation and technology sharing. Saab's CEO recently joined Colombia's president at a public event celebrating the country's decision to adopt the Gripen, signaling the company's commitment to building regional relationships. Peru's defense ministry, led by Walter Enrique Astudillo Chavez, confirmed in late 2024 its plan to replace its aging fleet of MiG-29s and Mirage 2000 PS. A short list of candidates has emerged, including Sweden's Gripen E F, the US-built F-16V Block 70 from Lockheed Martin, and France's Dassault Rafale F-4. The initial procurement phase involves 12 aircraft and is backed by a $2 billion loan application to Peru's Banco de la Nación. A key priority for the Peruvian Air Force is industrial cooperation, with requirements for domestic manufacturing and technology transfer forming essential criteria in the selection process. While no details have been publicly disclosed about industrial participation, Saab's track record in Brazil, including co-development of the Gripen F variant, could make the company a strong partner for Peru's ambitions. The Gripen E variant, a next-generation evolution of Saab's legacy fighter family, debuted in 2017 and offers substantial upgrades in range, agility, and avionics. Powered by a GE F414G engine, it features expanded fuel capacity, a cutting-edge modular avionics system, and advanced survivability features. Its Raven ES-05 active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar and internal electronic warfare suite provide both defensive and offensive electronic capabilities. In terms of armament, the Gripen E can carry Meteor and Iris-T air-to-air missiles, in addition to air-to-ground weapons like the GBU-49 and Taurus cruise missiles. Its versatility extends to reconnaissance and real-time battlefield coordination roles. The two-seat Gripen F, tailored for Brazil, also plays a role in pilot training and system development. Brazil's current fleet of Gripens has expanded from an initial 36 to 40 aircraft, with negotiations ongoing for an additional 26 units. Colombia is planning to acquire 24 more. Should Peru move forward with the Gripen, the combined regional fleet could surpass 80 jets, opening the door to multilateral cooperation in logistics, training, and joint operations across South America. This proposed Swedish-Peruvian agreement stands as a potentially transformative move for both nations. For Sweden, it would consolidate its foothold in Latin America's defense market. For Peru, it represents a chance to modernize its air force while building sovereign capabilities through industrial partnerships and technology integration.